Hi guys, in today's video we're going to take a look at the Zeal Sound K62 studio microphone. I was so impressed with their studio recording condenser broadcast microphone that I decided to buy their K62 microphone and test it out. The K62 attaches to the side of the desk and has a long gooseneck to hold the mic up. It has a shock mount and pop filter. There is also echo and volume control. Let's see what's inside the box. This is how it looks when attached to the edge of the desk, and the gooseneck is long and sturdy. It has a built-in rechargeable battery, pitch adjustment, a mute function, and the LCD screen is easy to understand and simple to use. Overall, this is the best microphone I have ever used. I love how it doesn't take up real estate on my desk and just floats in front of me. The Zeal Sound K62 studio microphone works wonderfully. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.